Make sure to stand till the end, guys. We're going to explain how you can avoid getting your engine completely damaged or needing it replaced. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful for you guys to any of you having a Mercedes C-Class. If you have a C-Class, it could be multiple generation Mercedes C-Class, guys, and you have a problem where all of a sudden your car starts overheating, you see the temperature gauge climbing, or you guys all of a sudden you're on the road and you get a message that the car is overheating. Stay with us, we'll explain what you need to check first. If you don't check it on time, you can completely, guys, overheat your engine, destroy it, and you may need the engine rebuilt or replaced. So all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly, guys, get new cars, we take them apart, engines, transmission, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Mercedes or car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So we're going to demonstrate on that C-Class, but it will work, guys, on multiple generations Mercedes C-Class. This is, guys, okay, the C-Class right here. Let me tell you now, guys, this is a serpentine belt. You can see how long it tends to be on some Mercedes vehicles. That thing is humongous. Why? Because it drives multiple accessories such as power steering pump, AC compressor, tensioner pulley. You're going to have here a water pump, alternator. Okay, all these, guys, puts tension on the belt. So those belts eventually start failing, guys. And they can snap in two, okay, with no warning. All of a sudden. This one snapped, guys, at 105,000 miles. This one was about to break. It started cracking at 65,000 miles. So we have a special video that explains how often to replace serpentine belt on Mercedes on our YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. Check it out, it will teach you all about that, because if that belt snaps, you're either destroying your engine or you're stuck in the middle of nowhere. Why? Because that belt runs, guys, okay, your alternator, which will not be able to charge the car battery, and it actually runs the water pump, which circulates the coolant in your engine. And if the water pump doesn't work, what happens, guys? You're going to start overheating almost immediately, especially if the engine is under load. We're talking about that pump, okay, right here, guys. You can see this is the water pump. So if you start overheating all of a sudden, get out of the vehicle and check if the belt is still installed, because a belt that came off will cause that, guys. And if you keep driving, you will overheat the car and you will destroy your engine. We have a special video that explains the top 5 why Mercedes overheats, okay, and it talks about thermostats, other things, okay, and one of them is a simple mistake people make that can cause to overheating as well. Check out, complete video will be on our channel, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.